Let's be honest, your computer's file system is probably a mess. Random downloads, duplicate photos, scattered documents. It's chaos. But what if your PC could automatically organize everything for you? In this video, I'll show you how to auto-organize files on your PC using free tools and smart automation, so your folders stay clean without any effort. First, let's understand the problem. Every time you download or create new files, they end up in the same messy folder, usually Downloads or Desktop. Sorting them manually takes time, and let's be honest, nobody likes doing that. The solution? Let your computer handle it automatically with simple automation tools. One of the best tools for this is called DropIt. It's free, lightweight, and works like magic. Here's how to use it. 1. Download it from dropitproject.com and install it. 2. Once it's running, you'll see a small floating icon on your screen. 3. Now drag any folder, like Downloads, and DropIt will watch it automatically. 4. Set up rules based on file type. For example, move images to your Pictures folder. Send documents to Work files. Archive zip files into Compressed. That's it. From now on, DropIt will organize new files the second they appear. If you prefer something already built into Windows, you can use Power Automate Desktop. It's completely free from Microsoft. You can create a simple flow that watches a folder and automatically moves files based on extensions like .jpg, .pdf, or .mp4. No coding required, just drag and drop your actions. It's like teaching Windows to clean up after you. Want to take it even further? Combine automation with a naming system. For example, you can rename files automatically with the date or project name, so everything stays searchable and tidy. Tools like File Juggler or Advanced Renamer can do this for free. Once you set it up, your computer becomes self-organizing. Every file finds its perfect place automatically. No more "Where did I save that?" moments. So go ahead, spend 10 minutes setting it up once, and save hours every week. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more smart PC tricks, and let your computer finally clean up its own mess. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.